Hey, it's Debbie Drum, and in this video, we're going to be talking about what a knowledge base is when it comes to AI, and how do you get one, and how do you get one quickly. To get the exact output that you want with AI, or your AI success, is equivalent to the more AI knows what you want to do. So you know the old saying, with AI, it's garbage in and garbage out. Meaning, if you don't put the right information inside the AI, then it's not going to give you your desired outcome. It's not going to give you the content that is superb, that is excellent, that is everything that you want it to be. So when it comes to AI, specifically with ChatGPT, to get the best outcome, you need to keep feeding the AI and telling it every single time you have a new project what exactly all the background information about your project is. This could be really frustrating. It could be really time consuming, and you have to keep doing it over and over again. So that's a lot of work that's being duplicated and just a lot of wasted time. There has to be a better way, and I actually found one. The solution that I found is called Groove AI. And what Groove AI allows you to do is provide it what we call a knowledge base. One time it stores it in there. I'm going to show you how to get this knowledge base so that you can give all the information about your product, your service, whatever it is you want AI's help with, and you only have to do this once. And the AI will know how much or how little to reference the knowledge base when it's giving you the content that you want it to give you. So when I'm creating a knowledge base, I like to do two things. Number one, I like to do what I call a brain dump. And I actually show you how to do this in another video. So you can go ahead and watch that. But I want to demonstrate here what I call a templated knowledge base. So I'm going to go ahead and show you step by step how to get this template so that you can just fill it in one time, be thorough, and then you'll have it forever and you never have to do this again. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I reply to all my comments. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and let's continue on with the video. So what we're looking at here is something new that I do for every single product that I create. And it's a document of all the information about my latest product, which was called the AI Black Friday Workshop. And what I did was basically put together a document of everything about the product that I could possibly think of so that AI can go ahead and help me with every aspect of the copy for my product, like the sales letter, the sales emails, the affiliate emails, all of the above. And instead of AI having to guess or be unsure about what my product and what I was trying to do, I wanted to feed it the information so that it could have some kind of knowledge base, like almost like it was my real assistant doing all this work for me. So I put up here, remember, the more AI knows, the less it has to guess or make up. So you want to feed it all the information possible, even if it's in broken English, even if it's in half sentences, even if it's rambling on, run-off sentences, it doesn't matter. You just want to pretty much put every aspect of your product into some kind of document that you can later go ahead and paste into ChatGPT or another program so that it could reference it. So here are some basic things that I told it, like the name of the product, the category of the product. I gave it a brief description. Now, everything from down here, the unique selling proposition, USP, all of this, I actually asked ChatGPT to give me a template of a perfect knowledge base of everything that AI would need to know about my product in order to write all the copy, write everything that I needed to write. So basically it went on to tell me to give it some target audience like demographics, geographic location, specific needs or problems that the product addresses, competitor analysis, pricing and availability. So these are all kind of headings, and then subheadings here of what I would need in these categories. Other benefits, testimonials, competition, what's the comparative advantages and disadvantages, and all this information here. Okay, so I just have it listed. You do not need to know everything that is listed here. Obviously, if this was a bigger project or a really big product, you would want all this information, but you might not have all, and you might not need all this information either. So don't worry about filling everything out. It's just basic information that you want to feed it, like baseline information. So if you're using ChatGPT for these kinds of things or these kinds of products, then you would actually have to give ChatGPT this information on an ongoing basis. Like if you were to start another chat, you would have to feed it more information, because almost like every new chat, it's like starting from scratch. And that's why I really like using Groove AI, because with Groove, this is my dashboard here, and I got two knowledge bases here. I'm going to click on that, and I have one for my main product, AI Freedom, and then another fun side project that I work on, Pillowcase Land. And in another video, I actually show how I did like a brain dump verbally to get my knowledge base. But this here, what I can do is I can create a new knowledge base here. I can call it AI Black Friday Workshop, create new, okay, and now I could either upload a file or I can just put text in there. So what this is going to do is it's going to allow me to go ahead and now start a new project. So once I paste that in there, which I can probably just drag this Word document in here as well. But once I go ahead and start a new project, after I upload my knowledge base, BFW, just going to do that. Now, what we see here is the ability to use the knowledge base. We can turn it on. We can pick the knowledge base to use. And then we could use this slider here in order for us to tell the AI how much we actually wanted to use our knowledge base. We wanted to use it 50%, 75%. How about 100%? Because if I feed AI everything it needs to know about my product, it doesn't need to go out and fetch other types of information to fill in the gaps, because I've provided it, okay? And also, one thing to note here is that if there's something that you don't know, like let's say I wasn't sure of my USP, right? Or maybe I wanted some help creating the USP. I could just ask AI, here's all my information. What would you think my USP is? So I don't have to come up with it. I can just ask AI to fill in those blanks for me. Let's say I didn't know 100% my demographics, or maybe I didn't know all of the benefits of my product. Maybe I wanted AI to write that for me. I could just piecemeal this and fill in the blanks along the way, and also get AI's help along the way in filling everything in, okay? So this is Groove AI. I really like using it. They continue to enhance and provide new features all the time, and they're only going to get better and better and better. They have some creative workspaces here that is really different and more efficient than ChatGPT. I've done some other videos on Groove that you can check out, but this one is specifically about the knowledge base, how to create your own knowledge base, whether it is for Groove or for ChatGPT. I would start to do this with every single project or product that you are working on, because it's not only helpful for AI, but it's also helpful for you as well, being that you should know everything about your product so that you can speak about it. Let's say you wanted a 2-sentence rundown, how to explain your product in 1 minute or less. You could have AI write that for you when it has all the information it needs about your product. So this is how AI can help you become more efficient, but also output really good things when it comes to the content that you want generated with AI, and not just so-so content and almost good enough. You want it great, and this is how to set yourself up for success. Please visit my link to get into groove.ai if you want to be one of the founding members and get the best deal. Please also look below at the bonuses that I am giving out when you do purchase through my link. They're really good stuff. I'm on the cutting edge of AI and everything about it. So follow me for more tips, tricks, and just becoming the best that you can be, 10 times better than you with AI, because that's what you can be. All right, I will see you next time. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. It really helps the channel. Also, be sure to check out the description for more recommended videos and next steps.